Graham, MACH 2018 just around the corner. I know you're dead excited for the event like I am.
Absolutely.
Tell us what OGP are going to be showing.
Well, certainly you can come and find us in Hall 19, stand 410. We're going to be displaying a series of multi-sensing optical measuring equipment. So we're going to start off with a low-cost entry-level machine, which is a Spark stroke MVP 300 by 300 bed, which is true multi-sensing. And then we've got a selection of machines from CNC range of units, which is a 200 by 200, which gives you a measuring bed size for metrology or for production of a 200mm by 200mm by 150, going up to a floor-mounted machine, which is a 500 by 450 by 200. And then we'll be also displaying a fourth and fifth axis vantage unit that will have a through-the-lens laser, Renshaw probing equipment on, and rotary indexers.
You've certainly done your research. How did you remember all that?
Age.
I tell you what, when it comes to the field that you guys are in, OGP UK are pretty much up there as one of the leaders, aren't they, when it comes to multi-sensor measurement and so forth?
Absolutely. We've done a lot of work, and I won't mention any names, with high-precision aeroplane companies. We've done a lot of work with automotive, again, companies that are producing tooling as well. And of course then, moulding companies as well has been the forefront of what we've done from a measurement point of view.
What's the draw? Who's going to come onto the stand? There's going to be over 20,000 engineers going there on April the 9th or through from April the 9th to the 13th. Why should people come onto OGP?
I think anybody that's got a throughput issue for a start off, they may be a bottleneck in final inspection or on the shop floor, where they want to quickly collect data and find out about their production process. This is what these machines do, they collect data. And then we're also going to be showing some plant-wide software, which how you can utilise data that you collect from different measurement devices.
Okay, look, lots to see, so they need to spare some time to visit. Remind us of the hall and the stand number.
Yeah. The hall is 19 and the stand is 410, and anybody who wants to come and challenge us by bringing parts to the show, that we can show them how quickly we can measure those parts and give them some feedback about their data, please join us.
So that's OGP UK on the car Fulham Group stand at MACH 2018, just around the corner.